Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to mute a specific group in your WhatsApp community for 8 hours. We all know how overwhelming group chats can be, especially when you're trying to focus or get some peace and quiet. Luckily, WhatsApp has a feature that allows you to temporarily silence notifications from specific groups within a community. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Communities. This is where all your WhatsApp communities are housed. Go ahead and tap on this tab to access your communities. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Find the community that contains the group you want to mute, and tap on it to open it up. Inside the community, you'll see a list of all the groups within it. Here's where the magic happens. Find the specific group you want to mute and long press on it. Don't be shy. Give it a good firm press until you see a menu pop up. In this menu, you'll see several options. Look for mute notifications and tap on it. A new window will appear with different muting durations. For our purpose, we want to select the 8 hours option. Tap on that, and then press OK to confirm your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully muted the specific group for 8 hours. You'll still receive messages, but your phone won't buzz or make a sound when they come in. It's the perfect solution for when you need a break or some focused time without completely disconnecting. Remember, you can always unmute the group earlier if needed, or extend the mute duration when the 8 hours are up. Happy chatting and enjoy your newfound peace and quiet.